Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I build this Shopify Checkout UI extension by using cursor and Shopify MCP and without writing any single line of code. I have done this. So if I go to the code and let me open the app console, dev app console, and if I click on app and home, this is the front end part where you can see we have a page checkout banner setting. So from here you can change the image of this banner, like this is the logo which is coming from here, and you can add the promise, you can remove the promise from here, and you can add more if you like, and whatever you make the changes, it will be displayed over here in the preview section. And once you save these changes, they will be applied over here. Right now without technology promises, and we have changed the heading, and if I reload the page, you can see now the heading is changed, and this is coming from the meta field. Meta object, we have created the meta object. You can see in the shop dot in the shop.app.toml, where we have defined the meta object, meta app.checkout banner, the meta, and then inside that we have some field, image URL, heading, single line heading, and the list promises single line text field where we can add the multiple promises. So these are the field of this meta object, and whenever we save these things, they go to the meta object, and over here we fetch that from the meta object. So let me show you this app.checkout banner. We have used the React router, and over here we have used the Shopify Polaris component, a web component, and when we load the page, we make the API call to the API slash Metaobject slash checkout banner, and it goes over here. And when this page loader on the load, we have authenticate the request admin, and then we make the GraphQL query get Metaobjects and the app checkout banner, and then we get all the fields of that meta field and return that data to the front end component as well as the checkout.css. We have another query over here. When we load the banner, we make the Shopify query, and we get the meta object fields which are being displayed over here. Okay, when we save the banner app dot when we save the banner, it sends the request over here again on the API, where we have the action function which handle the API request. We get the form data, we get the image URL promises, and then we make the mutation call and update that value in the meta object. So this is the whole Shopify checkout UI extension is done using the Shopify MCP tools. Let me show you in the cursor, tools and MCP. This is the Shopify Dev MCP, and I have used this, and these are the this is the access Shopify Dev MCP have to all the Shopify admin GraphQL array, validate the GraphQL code blocks, and learn Shopify API, everything. So you just have to tell the cursor what you need and it will do that for you very easily, and within few minutes you will be able to make the Shopify checkout UI extension. So it's very easy to make Shopify UI checkout extension, and you can control the data from here in the uh, Shopify app admin. So I hope this video give you some information about the Shopify MCP, and you can make the Shopify checkout UI extension by using this MCP. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.